Hello students, today we will be studying profit and loss. So, let's get started. Why are profit and loss important? Profit and loss are important whenever goods are bought and sold. Whenever a shopkeeper sells an item more than he has bought it for, he has made a profit. But if he sells it for less than the price at which he bought it, he makes a loss. Cost prices or CP. It is the amount at which the shopkeeper buys an article. Selling price or SP. It is the amount at which the shopkeeper sells the article to the customer. Whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, it is a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. When the selling price is less than the cost price, it is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. If the selling price and cost price are equal, there is no profit or loss. Discount. Shopkeepers want to sell more toys and other things. So, they give a special price that is lower than the regular price. This special lower price is called a discount. Shopkeepers always calculate the discount from the marked price on the toy or thing. The marked price is the original price written on the toy or thing before the discount. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price multiplied by 100. Profit and loss percentage. The profit percentage or loss percentage is calculated with the help of the formulas, which show that the profit or loss in a transaction is always calculated on its cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Percentage profit is equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Percentage loss is equal to loss by cost price multiplied by 100. Let's see all this by an example. Imagine you have a lemonade stand. You buy lemons, sugar, and cups to make and sell lemonade. This is like a shopkeeper buying items to sell. Cost price CP. This is how much you spend on making each glass of lemonade. Let's say it costs you 10 rupees to make one glass. Selling price SP. This is how much you sell each glass for. If you sell it for 15 rupees, that's your selling price. Profit. If you sell a glass for more than it costs to make, you make a profit. In our example, you're selling for 15 rupees what cost 10 rupees to make. Your profit is 5 rupees per glass, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Loss. Now imagine it's a rainy day and nobody wants lemonade. You lower the price to 8 rupees to sell some glasses. Now you're selling for less than it cost to make. You're making a loss of 2 rupees per glass, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Marked price. This is like when you write 15 rupees on a sign for your lemonade. It's the price before any discounts. Discount. Let's say it's the end of the day and you want to sell your last glasses quickly. You might offer a 3 rupee discount. So now you're selling for 12 rupees instead of 15. Profit and loss percentage. This helps you understand how much you're gaining or losing compared to what you spent. If you made a 5 rupee profit on a 10 rupee cost, your profit percentage would be 50%. 5 divided by 10 times 100 is equal to 50%. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.